Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the 11 reason why you should uninstall Chrome and you have to install Microsoft Edge as a browser. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. So we are going to start with our topic. Just open any of your PDF and you can easily annotate on this one. Like this one, so you can easily select the uh, pencil from this one and you can easily draw that whatever the thing that you want to write down over there. So you can write down this and you can easily use this one applications just to teach online through the PDF also. Okay, so easily we can write down on this one PDF with the help of this Microsoft Edge. So you can change that the color of the pen and you can easily change that the thickness of this one. You don't need any of the software, any other third party applications. You can easily use this as a web browser also. You can easily use this as a PDF annotator also. And after annotating, you can also save this one as a complete permanent file also. So if you want to highlight this one, just click on this one side and select that the color which you want to take and change that the thickness of this one, and you can easily highlight that on this one. So like this we can easily highlight using this highlighter which is inbuilt, which is given over there. Okay, so after highlighting, if you want to erase this one, you can easily erase that one, the annotation what you have done already. So like this we can easily annotate that one. If you want to fill that one a PDF, so you can also fill this one with the help of the keyboard. Like this one, if I want to write down here the tech guide. So after writing this one, you can easily select on the another one place and you can write down anywhere on this one. So you can change that the color of this one text also, and you can easily do that the digital signs of the person on this, on any of the PDF or any of the form. So if you want to increase the size, you can change over there. So like this one, you can easily change the size of this one text also. The next reason, you can easily add any PDF which will be in the document form as a PDF form. So you can easily just click on this one, read aloud, then it will start reading that one. So one by one it will start reading that one, each and every word
1. Annotaten om de PDF 2.
change that the
Highlight de PDF 3.
also like this. And
3. Write
you can
any
also
text
change
anywhere
the
4.
voice which will
Can
be
list the
given the
content
speed of this
multiple natural
person in
voices 5.
okay, so you
Can
can easily
save our
change the
PDF
voice of
after
the
annotations.
person, and like this one we can easily change that.
Daisy words in
So
picture
that
is
is the
split
basic
words.
reason why you should take that
Please
Microsoft
subscribe to my channel The
instead
Tech
of Google Chrome.
Guide.
So please subscribe to my
And don't
channel.
forget
Like
to
this,
press the bell.
it is speaking that one, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Everything it will be spoken by this one, and you can easily change that the speed of this one, and you can easily change the voice of that person. After annotating on this one, you can easily save this file as a annotated file. So you can write down any of the file name of, and after that press enter, and it will be completely annotated, and you cannot change now the whatever the file which you have filled over there. So this thing that cannot be changed. But in the so the next one, just open any of the shopping website like the Amazon if we want to open, and afterward just click on this one icon. So a coupon icon, then you will click that one. So every coupon code which is available for this one website, for this one product, that will be easily visible over there, and score, copy this one and just get the special discount on any of the purchase that you want to take. Okay, so that are the different coupons that will be visible over there, and for each and every coupon you can easily redeem this one on the Amazon website. Next, in the Google Chrome, just search any of the website which you want to take. Let us suppose I have taken my own website, so CBSE Hub online blogspot, where you can easily get all the notes related to the class 9th and 10th class. So whenever you want to open, if you are regularly using this one website, and then you can easily click on this triple dot and they just go down, and you can easily add this one into the pin comment also. So like more tool, and you can write down there, you can click on this one, pin to taskbar. So like this it will be added completely on your quick access toolbar or the taskbar. Okay, next time if you will open this one up icon from this one, and you can easily see that one the website directly, it will be open in the new tab. So like this we can easily do your task very fast. Next, for the next one tip, whenever you are going to search on the this Microsoft Edge, like this one, if I will search like just only the CBSE, then it will be immediately give me the website link, official website link. When you will click over here, then you can easily open a complete website, official website directly into that one. So you can easily search that one and whatever the thing that you want to open. So for the quick opening of the website, then you can easily use this one, Microsoft Edge. For the next one tip, if you want to open the, if you want to take a long screenshot, then also you can easily use this one, Microsoft Edge, for this one purpose. So let us suppose if I want to open that my science notes, and if you want to take a long screenshot of this one, so like this, if the force and pressure, then these chapter, that if you want to take the photocopy, or if you want to take a long screenshot of this one web page, full web page, then you can easily use the keyboard shortcut key Control Shift or S. Then in that case it will open a pop-up window, capture the area. For that one you can easily click on the small screenshot also, and you can easily see that one as a picture also. So if you will click on the Control Shift or S, then capture the full page. If you will click over there, then it can easily take the whole print, a whole long screenshot of that full web page. So like this you can easily take a long screenshot using this Microsoft Edge also. And afterward you can easily draw over this one screen also, like this. So by selecting this, the pencil from this one, and you can easily cover a annotation over there, like this one. If I will just annotate that one, if you want to erase that one, then also on the screenshot you can annotate this. So after annotating, if you want to keep that, if you want to save it for the later use, then you can easily right click over there on this one icon, save icon, then click on this one save icon, and this will be completely shown as a web page, complete web page, a big screenshot that you can see easily. So if you will just zoom it with the help of the Control plus, and it will give us the good quality of the screenshot, or long screenshot on one single picture, that you can easily enclose this one. You can also use this one to just to solve any of the mathematical problem. For this one, just select that one, any of the problem which you want to take. So let us suppose if I want to solve this one mathematical problem using this Microsoft Edge, so just click on this triple dot, then just go down and click on the more tool. Afterward, math solver, click on this one, and this will be open this kind of pop-up window. So if you have opened that the open that one, the screenshot, in that case you can select that your problem, and afterwards and you can click on the solve button. So it will automatically read that the full equation which is written over there, like this one, and you can see that whatever the solution which will be there, x is equal to 9 by 2, that will be your solution, and it will be the complete solution. If you want to take that full solution step by step, then click on show step solution steps. So like this, every step that will be completely visible over there, and you can see that one related to the graph. If this is a linear equation, and then it will give us the line graph also, and you can easily see that the graph in the 2D also, and both the sides in the 2D, then you can easily see that. So if you want to see that one, the complete video related to that one, then you can also see this one with the help of this Microsoft solver, the best way with the help of which we can easily solve any of the mathematical problem. For the next one, then open this one web page, then you will see that one, there are so many different ads which are visible over there, and these are completely distracting. These all are ads. So how to, you can easily use this one for reading purpose. So if I will open that the science notes from this one web page, and they are completely distracting to me, these all ads. So if I want to open this, you can click on the F9, just press that the F9 function key. In that case, all the ads which are given around the sites, that it can easily be removed from this one, and you can easily go through that all the notes which are given over there, and a complete notes that will be visible over there just without the ads. If you want to see that one, the different meanings of the words, then also you can easily say that see this one. So if I will just click on this one, reading preference, in that case, if I want to translate this one, the English which is written over there in the Punjabi, then you can easily translate that the entire page like this also. So as if I will click on, then it this whole page, it will be completely translated using that the internet Okay, so you can easily see that one, all the notes which are visible over here, that are in Punjabi now. If you will change that the language, in that case you can also see that one, it will be changed in the Hindi language also, that all the notes that are completely now available in the Hindi language directly. Okay, so if you want to see that the meaning of the word in the picture form, like this one, if I will click on this one, picture dictionary, and just whenever the cursor will be converted, if you will see that one on the picture, and that are this kind of that arrow, it will be shown over there, which have a one star at the top of the side, then you can easily click over there, and you can see that the picture which are given as the word which is written over there, that is shared. And when you will click on this one, and it will give you the picturized that pictures which will give the complete meaning of that one, the task which will be there. Okay, once again, and that the arrow icon which will be made over there, and if you will click over there, in that case it will show that the picture of the atoms. And if I will see that one for the electricity, then in that case you can easily say that the picture which is given over there. Okay, so yeah, like this we can easily go through that our notes very nicely and in a complete understanding form. For the next one, okay, so afterward, then the next one, text preference. If you want to see that one, the different background color of the text, then also you can easily change that the text background. So like this, the background color, it will be completely seen that one. If you are continuously using that on the laptop screen, on the mobile screen, in that case, then it will affect our eyes. So if you are using this one Microsoft Edge, then it will change that the dark background also directly, and the color of the text, it will be completely changed from this one. And you can change that any of the theme which you want to take, and the column style, then you can also see that one like this. The different font style, it will be also changed, and the different, like this one, the different fonts that can be changed, and the spacing between the text, if you are having that the readability problem, in that case you can change this one, the text spacing automatically also. So, and the next one, if you want to increase that the size of the text, in that case also you can easily change that the size. So on the medium size, and the text spacing, it can also be reduced. Okay, so afterward, on the next one, take, you can change the color, background color white. Also you can change that the yellow color, like this, the different colors that you can easily change from this one theme. So next one, if you want to use this grammar tool, what kind of advantages it will have, the grammar tool, whenever you are having that the problem to read the bigger one words, how to speak that one word, and you can use that the syllables, so just which will split a one complete bigger one word into the smaller pieces. Like if you will click over there, in that case the word, it will be completely broken into the small pieces. Like therefore it will be that split into the two pieces like this. If you will see that one, therefore it is a complete word. And when you will click on this one's label, in that case there and for configuration, like this, you can easily speak that one, you can easily read that the things very nicely. If you want to see that one, if you want to see which one word which is given over there, that is a noun or pronoun or adverb, adjective, whatever the thing it is there, and you can easily see that all the things highlighted also. If I want to see whatever the word, whatever the paragraph which we are having, and if I want to see that all the nouns, and in that case this will change completely that all the colors of this one. Okay, so like this, you can see that one, the nouns color, it will be completely changes into the violet color. And if you want to change that the color, like this one, on the yellow color, and the blue color, like this, the different color, we can easily change that all the nouns. If you want to see all the verbs, in that case that color will be changes into red color. Adjectives, so like this one, the different grammatically the mistakes, basically the problem, the students, they are doing that one, and with the help of this one, you can easily use that just for understanding the different words, and the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, at all the things that will be completely visible over there, and it will be completely highlighted. Adverbs also, like this, we can easily highlight it. If you want to see on each and every word which is highlighted, if you want to see their labels, like if I will click over there on the show label, in that case the noun word, it will be that have the one heading over there, that it is a hydrogen, which is a noun, and this single, it is a adjective. So the share, this s is a verb, and like this one, the atom, that is a noun. So each and every words, that complete label, it will be given over there. Thanks for watching. and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thanks and have a nice day.